Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we're looking at the best curbside deals, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, paying for it, driving to the store. It is that easy. Specifically in this video, we are stacking these two boosters. So when you spend 50, you are getting back 25, which is 50% of your purchase, which is really fantastic. Now, I know not everybody got the 10 back when you spend 50, but if you can stack the two, it's magic. Now, a lot of us are dealing with snow, especially if you're in the Midwest. So this is just an easier way to kind of avoid driving in really bad winter conditions. Alternatively, if you're the kind of shopper that wants to be in store specifically, I have this video from yesterday. I will link it at the very end for you guys to check out. And if you could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Okay, let's get right into it with deal number one. You need your two best friends loaded. The 15 back when you spend 45 and the 10 back when you spend 50. And these are also of a one-time use. So the first thing we're going to pick up is we're going to come in strong with the Olay Super Serum. For $34.99. This is the larger bottle, and I have a 15 off of 1 digital coupon. Check what you might have. And then we're also going to throw in 2 of these Olay makeup removers and a cleanser. And there's a 5 off 2 digital coupon. For whatever reason, I could not add like 2 of the wipes or 2 of the cleaners. My store was super limited, I'm assuming. And then we're also going to throw in 2 of these Pantenes. It's on a promotion that when you buy 2, you're going to get back, I think, $2 of Walgreens cash. And we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. I always love this conditioner from this line. Show you our gorgeous chorus line, 5 off 2 for those Olay cleansers and wipes, a 3 off 2 for the Pantene, 15 off for that Olay Super Serum, and then the only code I could get to work is Cyber 15. There's also Cyber 20, but I think Super Serum just would not allow it, so that is some savings, any way you look at it. It's better than WAG 10. Subtotal is $57.75 with the code Cyber15. We're at $53.74, so we're still at that $50 threshold. I factored in the math. We also have tax and $23 in manufacturer's melting off. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $33.96. Do not use Walgreens cash as you're using 2 boosters in this deal, and you're getting back $27.54. 25 for the 2 boosters, and then additional 2 for the Pantene. So not factoring in the tax, apply for the P&G Good rebate card with this, and we'll talk about it at the end. You'll get an additional $5. So when you go to the store, please ask the cashier in the nicest way if you could possibly get a physical receipt. If they can process it through a regular register. If they use that handheld thing, you're not going to get a receipt. And I will show you the website to go to collect a $5 gift card courtesy of P&G, and you have achieved it with this basket. You are well past that $20 mark. Basically makes your entire cart for free with the $5 gift card from P&G Good every day. Okay, so now we're at deal number 2, and you need your 2 best friends loaded. The 10 back when you spend 50 and the 15 back when you spend 45. That 10 back when you spend 50 on my main account, I never received it, but my husband did. So not every account gets it. For this one, we're grabbing a whole host of the Pods products. Now, for whatever reason, liquid is not part of this, and if you look at any of the products where it'll say 15 back when you spend 45 on P&G, you know you're picking up the right item, but the liquid is not attaching to this promotion, which is quite odd. Grab one of these larger 57 counts, or you could go with the larger pods for $15.99, and we have a 4 off 1 digital coupon, which is really super duper and fantastic. And then we're going to grab the smaller one for $12.99, and we have an additional $3 digital that you can load. Just scroll below those products and you should be able to press the plus sign to load the coupons. And then one of these Gain flings for $15.99, and we have another $4 digital. Adding more to the basket, we're going to throw in one of these Dawns for $4.99, and we have another $1 digital coupon. Load all of your coupons, guys, very important. And then one of these Febreze plugs for $3.50, and we have a $3.50 off of 1 digital coupon, making this a little freebie in the mix. So the last item we're grabbing is this Mr. Clean for $5.99. It is quite the cart of merchandise, but you're going to see what I'm doing here. And then you can see the entire chorus line, and then for whatever dumb reason, Cyber 20 worked on this one, and I couldn't get it for other ones, but whatever I grabbed, it worked, so I guess it's not dumb. 59.45 subtracting 8.40. We're still at 51.05 for the spend 50 to earn back 10. So don't worry about that. The manufacturers are melting off, so we're at 36.61. Pay that with your debit card. Do not use any Walgreens cash, and you're getting back 25. Plus, you're going to ask really nicely with sugar on top and butterscotch pudding and ponies. Could you please process this through a regular register so you get a physical receipt? And then you're going to send that receipt off to P&G Good for a $5 gift card. So it makes this basket a really super deal. The next basket that we're looking at is deal number 3. Of course, you need your 2 best friends loaded. The 15 back when you spend 45 and the 10 back when you spend 50. Load both of these friends. The first item that we're grabbing is this gorgeous Swiffer mop. It does everything for $29.99, and we have it 8 off of 1 digital coupon. We're also going to be throwing into this 2 of those Pantenes with 3 off 2 digital. When you buy 2 of these, you get back an extra $2 in Walgreens cash. And then we're going to throw in one of these gorgeous Tides at $12.99, and we have a $3 digital for this one. And I love these Tide Pods. This is a way that if you have teenagers or men in your house that just, use half a cap of the Tide liquid, this is a way to really measure it, and you don't need to sound bossy. Final item that we're grabbing is one of these plugs for $3.50. Double, triple check your Fetch Rewards account because I have a rebate for this sort of stuff with Febreze. The overall total is $57.46, $4.80 coming off with, I think I used Cyber 15 for this one because that Swiffer mop, I think it was like, nope, you can't use it. And then, but we're still at $52.66. So we're still at that $50 threshold. $17.50 in digitals melting off. You're going to pay $38.32 with your debit card. Get back $27 and keep your receipt. Ask for that receipt because here's why. The P&G Good website, there is a spend 20 to earn back 5, even though you've spent 50, but because you've used coupon codes and manufacturers, you've yet to achieve that, and they are super strict. You have until the 1st of January to do this, so I know a lot of us haven't. A lot of meat and potatoes things in the picture and in the description. Olay Skincare is part of it. That is the website that you have to go to, make an account, and just submit a rebate, and then I think 6 weeks later, you get this actual gift card sent to your house. I wish they would do an e-gift card, but I can't have it always my way. But it's an extra $5 for these baskets. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.